Hello and welcome to another episode of Note to Self. In this episode we discuss subscribing to ERP Cloud business events. Many components of Oracle ERP Cloud are workflow based, with this workflow infrastructure supporting many business processes. Business events have been placed at many of the key points along these workflows that can be leveraged to allow the user to trigger additional actions. This video looks at an example business event in ERP Cloud and how we can get it to invoke an integration in Oracle Integration Cloud. The basic components are firstly Oracle ERP Cloud and Oracle Integration Cloud, both on the latest releases. The business events engine within ERP Cloud works on a subscription basis. We'll go on to create an integration process in OIC that will subscribe to an event in ERP Cloud using the ERP Cloud adapter. When we activate our integration, it will create a subscription in ERP Cloud, registering our OIC integration endpoint details. At runtime, when the triggering business event is fired in ERP Cloud, our OIC integration will be executed with payload details. From there, we can build our integration out to transact with external systems, send notifications, or generate some files containing data. We've created a very simple app-driven style integration. The ERP Cloud adapter is used as the triggering connection. The ERP Cloud endpoint wizard gives us 3 use cases, but we'll choose the one to receive business events raised within ERP Cloud. In this example, we'll opt to subscribe to the project status event, which will tell us if any project status changes, including when a project is created. In this assign action, we're going to create a couple of variables and assign to them values from the inbound payload for project ID and project name. For the tracking field variables, we'll grab the project name, project ID, and project number. Let's save and then activate this simple integration. You can check on your ERP Cloud instance for what current subscriptions exist by going to the SOA Infra public event subscriptions URL. Once you've logged in, you'll see a JSON payload detailing all of your subscriptions. The subscription entries show an endpoint URL for our new OIC integration. This means that when the project status event is triggered in ERP Cloud, it should fire our new integration in OIC. However, when I created a new project in ERP Cloud, the event initially failed to trigger the OIC integration, which was really frustrating. A further Google search pointed me to this documentation. Oracle do provide these business events, but it seems that they're not enabled by default. We have to therefore run some REST services to get these business events enabled. Using a tool like Postman, we can run the ERP Business Events REST service to obtain the full list of available events in ERP Cloud. To filter the list, we can add a query on the business event code. In order to run a patch method against this API to enable the business event, we need the ERP Business Event ID. We then constructed this simple payload body and executed the patch command to set the enabled flag to true. The response payload from the patch command confirms that the business event is now properly enabled in ERP Cloud. The next time we created a project in ERP Cloud, the business event fired as expected and executed our OIC integration. The OIC integration was triggered with the payload of the project object, and these details can be used in any downstream integration process as a result. So, to summarize, Oracle gives you many business events that you can subscribe to in OIC. In order to get them to work properly, you need to configure an app-driven integration in OIC using the ERP Cloud connection, but also you'll need to enable the business event in ERP Cloud using a REST service. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please leave your feedback in the comments section below. And until next time, goodbye.